I'm Steve. Hey, and welcome to the wonderful world of woodworking with Carpetech. Today, we're going to be covering veneering. I treat veneer exactly the same as I do ordinary timber. A lot of people get a little bit carried away and go, oh no, you've got to be careful with veneer. No, look, it's exactly the same as a board, and it's just thinner. Treat it the same. And for me, if I've got 0.6 of a mil to work with, I'm happy. When you start using pre-veneered chipboard panels, different story, because that veneer is measured in microns and you can go through it very, very good. All right, now with veneer, there is a right side and a wrong side. First of all, understand how veneer is cut. They've got a piece of timber like this, and they've got a big knife. What have I got in the way of a big knife? This will do. And they slice it. It's fascinating to watch it on YouTube. There's a few videos in slicing veneer. So there's your timber there, and the knife comes down. The timber, they inject it with steam to make it really pliable. The knife comes down like this, and you see how that's peeling off? Now that's important for two reasons, which I'll go into shortly. But then you get this pattern here, that falls down, and then they do it to the next one, and it falls down. So then you get, a lot of people do is they call it book matching. If you get this piece of veneer and turn it over, you'll notice it's like opening a book. We've got this mark down here, and we've got the corresponding mark on the other piece. That meets there, and this pattern is the same, and you've got that and that. A lot of people use it indoors. The trouble is, that word I used before, the chatoyance, it is opposed 180 degrees. If you look at this piece here, see how dark it is? This piece is lighter. If I turn it around, they should be about the same. See, they're the same colour, but if I turn it around, one's slightly lighter. I don't know if it shows up on what you're watching, but that's the downside of book matching. What I prefer to do is what they call slip matching. So I've got veneer like that, and instead of opening it like a book, I pull it and do that. It maybe artistically isn't quite as pretty, but then you do get the same chatoyance. There's nothing worse than if you get sort of a sunburst. If I put this one in backwards, it would be dull when the rest of them are bright. In fact, the way the light is, see those two light up? And there, because I did it right, that's even. When you turn it around, you get the same light reflection. Whereas if one of those was turned, it wouldn't look even, it'll look dull, one of them, which is yuck. So that's one quick thing. Slip matching rather than book matching. There's nothing wrong with book matching. It's just a personal thing. That's what I don't like when the chatoyance is out.